Overnight may have washed away some of the yellow haze, but unfortunately, we still have not seen the last of the pollen. WJCL meteorologist Scott Sumner has a look at this year's pollen count, plus how you can dodge the pollen.
It's that time of year when itchy, sniffling, sneezing, and runny nose take over the body at the same time. It's pollen season. For some, those symptoms continue for months. Pollen season started early this year, in part because of the record warmth in February, where the monthly average temperature was 63.5 degrees. But the unusually cold we experienced in January also played a part.
We had a number of days of freezing weather, which allowed the trees to become dormant. So when they got warmer weather and longer days, they started pollinating a little early this year.
Dr. Bruce Finkel, a coastal allergy and asthma, has seen a number of patients already this season and says there are things you can be doing right now to help yourself when it comes to allergies.
Normally we tell folks to start taking their nasal corticosteroid sprays and their antihistamines in mid-February. Typically the pollen season starts here at the end of February, beginning of March. It typically peaks after St. Patrick's Day.
Since we live in a semi-tropical climate, allergy season is expected to stick around for a while. In the summer, grass pollen can be an issue, and in the fall, weed pollen causes problems. Some general home remedies to help with pollen and allergies in general can be by buying a HEPA, high-efficiency particulate air filter for your home, using a neti pot, which helps with sinus issues, and drinking peppermint tea, which eases inflammation and kills bacteria. Here are some other tips to limit your pollen exposure. Don't use a feather duster to clean. Wear a face mask and gloves while cleaning, and wash your hands thoroughly. Make sure your houseplants are not pollinating and check the daily pollen count. In the studio, I'm WJCL meteorologist Scott Sumner.